there's going to be bottles of the cough syrup lying around or blister packets. So, keeping an eye out for, if you're suspicious, definitely, I hate to tell families to do this, but you have to do some detective work. You have to look through the trash.
Okay, good. And so what are some warning signs? Like if we have families, it's this type of year or this time of year and your child or your loved one is originating, hey, I don't feel good, let's get something here. What are some
Yeah.
warning signs that they might be taking more than they need to or a little more often than they need to?
Yeah, I mean, it is something that you could see, starting that addictive behavior starting to show up, right? Somebody's being secretive, with, maybe purchasing online orders. That's something that, if you're abusing, DXM, you're going to start to need to get more and more often. So, keeping an eye out for, yeah, packages coming in. There's going to be mood swings. This stuff has some serious psychological effects. You're really going to notice paranoia. When you're high, there's hallucinations. And also if somebody is intoxicated with it, yeah, there's going to be slurred speech, that their balance is going to be off. It's going to look like they're drunk, but you're not going to smell alcohol. And that's where it can be really like a sneaky drug that people use. But another thing to look out for is because it does require fairly high amounts to get an effect, there's going to be bottles of the cough syrup lying around or blister packets. So, keeping an eye out for, if you're suspicious, definitely, I hate to tell families to do this, but you have to do some detective work. You have to look through the trash, see if you're noticing anything that could really shed some light to the amount that somebody's using of this. And, I would be very sparing with the amount of cough syrup that, I would recommend. I'm not a doctor and I can't necessarily recommend that, but anything you put in your body has to be processed by your liver and it's going to have side effects. So, although it's safe, it's FDA approved, it's still something to be, somewhat mindful of, you're putting it in your body.